Hi there, students. Unassuming. Okay, unassuming is an adjective. I guess you could have an adverb, unassumingly. Okay, if you describe somebody as unassuming, it means they don't want to be the center of attention. They're not looking for admiration. Yeah, they're quiet, they're modest. Yeah, so he has a very unassuming manner. He doesn't look to be the center of attention. Yeah. Um, a very unassuming neighborhood is not pretentious. It doesn't pretend to be high class and things like this. So if you use the adjective unassuming, you're being complimentary. You're saying something nice about somebody because they're not trying to appear important. They're not being pretentious. I'm the best. Yeah, they're quiet, they're meek, they're humble. Okay, so unassuming, they're retiring. They don't want to be the center of attention. They don't think they're the greatest, the bee's knees. They're demure, they're down to earth, and they're humble as well. Okay, this is the opposite of somebody who is narcissistic and arrogant and conceited. Yeah, somebody hoity-toity is the opposite. Okay, so if you want to be unassuming, don't show everybody how wonderful you are. Just say what you think. Yeah, don't be pretentious. Don't show any pretensions. Don't be boastful. Be retiring and quiet. I think particularly this collocation, an unassuming manner. Yeah. He unassumingly just told us the plain truth without any embellishment. Okay, so unassuming, not ostentatious, modest. So the origin of this, well, this comes from the verb to assume. To assume means to suppose something is true, particularly without proof. Yeah, so I think somebody who's unassuming doesn't assume that they are anything, or they don't assume that what they say is important and posh and high class. Yeah, so they don't assume to be anything. They are unassuming. They don't adopt the position of an important person, the center of attention. Yeah, they're meek and reserved. They're unobtrusive and self-effacing. They're unostentatious. Yeah, they're not presumptuous. They're not overconfident and pretentious. Okay, so formality, unassuming. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably use this in an informal conversation, although I might just say not posh, yeah, or not pretentious, unpretentious, unassuming. Yeah, I think you could use it in an informal conversation. So use it anywhere. It's a little bit, a tad on the formal side, but I think you can use it anywhere. Okay, so yeah, somebody who's always boasting is not unassuming in the least. Okay, so unassuming. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Unassuming.